The Bitcoin charts are not looking good, and Bitcoin looks like to be ready to move here into lower price levels. And I will show you the exact price target that I'm looking at for the imminent short term. If you think that is interesting, then definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's jump here directly into the charts for today. So here on the 1 hourly chart, nothing has for now changed here. We still have this potential bear flag in this parallel channel that we are respecting for now, but one of the targets that I'm looking at, if I use here the pole from the bear flag, so conservatively, if we break down here at any given point, it will put us around $16,000. If I put it down here, it will be $15,800. So, but for that, we have to wait that the price is breaking here to the downside. So, but I think we don't have to wait all too long for that anymore, and I will show you in a second also why that is, so definitely stay here with me. So another reason why I believe that a further drop is here imminent even on the 1 hourly time frame is that we see a rejection here on the EMA ribbons. So the yellow string was trying to get here into back into the ribbon to work its way here to the upside, but the price action got for now rejected there, and it looks like that the yellow string will come unfolding back here to the downside and widen up as we have seen it, for example, here. So, and that definitely means that there's more downwards pressure on Bitcoin if we see this happening in the next coming hours. So because we are here on the 1 hourly chart, it should not take all too long to see this kind of price movement here unfolding. So if I would be trading this, where would be my entry? So I want to show you guys. So my entry would be, let me make this longer a little bit. So the first entry could be here around this level, $16,700, and there is my entry from my trade. So you could also wait for a secondary and more secure entry, and that would be here around $16,670. So let me make them yellow or orange for entries. So then where I would have my stop loss. So my stop loss, I would have a tight stop loss. So my stop loss would be around here, that level, and red. So just let me make this longer. Up. So, and let me take the EMA ribbons here away. So there you see, so there's my stop loss. So at my first take profit point, remember from yesterday what I told you guys. So the target anyway, the target is around $16,000, the first one from the bear flag. So around here I would also place then my stop loss, my take profit point. So here I would have my first take profit point. So now when you look at the risk to reward ratio, so if you would take from here the entry, so we're talking about here 4.25% on a 20x leverage, so that's 90% in gains that we can bank here. So if you would take the more risky entry, and the stop loss is only 0.35, so 7% against 90% gain. So that is an absolutely amazing risk to reward ratio that we are seeing here. So, and that's why I'm actually in this trade already and waiting that we head here into lower price levels. And guys, if you want to trade with me together, don't forget on BYBIT you still get $30,000 in free bonuses with my specific link. It was really hard to convince BYBIT to give me that bonus for you guys. So, but of course I managed to get it for you. The same with Bitget, they used to get $20,000 in bonuses also only with that specific link here. So let's go back to the Bitcoin daily chart. So here also some things are unfolding. So we see here a candle formation that I really don't like, because I'm still a Bitcoin bull, because that will indicate that we will still head here lower on the daily time frame. Also, the MACD is flashing here a bearish signal where the trend line is going over the signal line, so that means we will also here head most likely into a downtrend if this continues here over the next couple of days. And yeah, that just solidifies that we most likely will head here still into way lower price levels here on the daily chart, all the way down to $15,500. So let me see here on the 4-hourly chart. Also here we see that Bitcoin is facing here clear resistance of this resistance area, 16,760 all the way up to 16,900. We have here so many attempts to break through this level, and Bitcoin cannot manage to step through it. Also, the stochastic RSI is here again in overbought conditions, and that is another sign that we most likely get from here rejected and will head into lower price levels. So today I also want to talk quick about Ethereum, because it's more or less the same. So here on the daily chart, we get here a really beautiful potential spinning top, if that turns to be out a spinning top. For that I have to go into the lower time frames, because that could be also tweezer bottom. So yes, so when I look here on the 12-hour time frame, that does not look good. So, and why does that not look good? Because we start to shape here like this rounding support, and every time when we get this rounding support, the price is dropping off the cliff to the downside. So that is most likely a spinning top formation, and that also would then signal that the Ethereum price is still going lower. So the question is, to what price levels would we potentially go? So the first one, of course, would be here around $1,070, and then just beneath that, I would say kind of like here, 1,024. But let me see here on the other side. Yeah, just around $1,000. There would be afterwards the next bigger support underlying. So, but we can also check this with the VPVR. Yeah, so you see this is nicely lining up here with the VPVR. Yeah, you see, so here down here there's basically the last longest bar at around $1,000. So if that gives in, then we had sub $1,000 for Ethereum, which I'm not convinced that this is going to happen. So, but we see also we have clear resistance here in that orange marked area here, from 1,260 all the way up to 1,330. So that is the major resistance for Ethereum right now to break, so that we can move here up into higher price levels here once again. And that was also the reason why we got here heavily rejected in the past. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.